Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Wikipedia app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. Then you just go down here to looking for Wikipedia app here. So you just keep going down here to search for it and you click on Wikipedia here, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on for stop and you click on OK here, then you go down, click here on storage, come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. I'm going to click on my Play Store here. You search for Wikipedia app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Just click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.